Okay, in this video, this is going to be a fun, interesting video. Okay, I got 5 qubits here, right? This represents 5 qubits, 5 different atoms. I have a Hadamard gate on each qubit, which means each qubit is in a superposition. Each of these 5 atoms, or 5 qubits, are each within their own superposition, right? So let's play the gates. Let me see how they change. You can see it down here, right? All right, so these represents, after I put each qubit in a Hadamard gate in a superposition, these 5, I get 32 states of these 5 qubits. That means now this quantum computer can do calculations on 32 different states, right? Which means that this quantum computer, it's much faster than if I use just 1 qubit with 1 Hadamard gate, or with 2 qubits with 2 Hadamard gates. And I'm going to show you that. Let's take one of these Hadamard gates away, and you're going to see this drop, right? See, it got smaller. Let's take another Hadamard gate away. Now we only have 4 qubits with 1 Hadamard, with 1 Hadamard gate on each. Let's take that one away. All right. Let's go back. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, you see, with 3 qubits with 1 Hadamard gate on each, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With 3 qubits with 3 Hadamard gates on each, that's a quantum computer with only 8 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take another Hadamard gate away, and let's play it. Now this is 2 qubits with 2 Hadamard gates, 1 on each. Now this quantum computer is only in 1, 2, 3, 4 states. So the more quantum qubits that you have, the more qubits you have in superposition, or entangled, but in this particular case, in superposition. The more qubits you have in superposition, the more powerful the quantum computer that you're using. And you see that here, right? And the reason why it's more powerful is because that the quantum computer can be in more states of calculations, more states in which it can do computations and calculations to solve problems. The more states a quantum computer can be in, the faster it can compute, the faster it can calculate, the more powerful it can be, because it has more states in which it can perform calculations. And you see these little blue dots here? That means this quantum computer is in now 32 states in which it can calculate. All right. Now imagine if you had 1 million of states in which a quantum computer can calculate instead of 32 states. Imagine if you had 1 million of these you can calculate. That quantum computer would be way more powerful. And it would be able to calculate problems way faster. For example, let's say this 32 state quantum computer is able to solve a problem within an hour, right? Well, if you have 1 million state quantum computer, not 32 state like this, but let's say you had 1 million state quantum computer, that quantum computer could solve that problem that took this computer an hour to do. That one that's 1 million state could probably can solve that problem in less than a second, right? Maybe in 1/10 of a second instead of an hour. You know what I'm saying? That's the difference. That's the difference.